5 Burger King employees charged with fraud. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Lawmen assigned to the fraud squad unit have charged 5 Burger King employees with larceny as a servant, conspiracy to defraud, and engaging in transaction involving criminal property last week Wednesday. Charged are 39-year-old Terrian O'Hara, a cashier of 9 Miles Bull Bay St. Andrew, 39-year-old Camila Wisdom, supervisor of Hamburg Road, Kingston, 22-year-old Astia Mitchell, a cashier of 9 Miles Bull Bay, 39-year-old Sharon Williams, a cashier of Bayshore Park, Old Harbor View, Kingston 17, 21-year-old Christina Lewis, cashier of Glasspole Avenue, Kingston 2. According to police report, between December 22 and March 2023, the employees reportedly stole an undetermined sum of money from the establishment. A report was made to the police on Sunday, April the 2nd, resulting in their arrest on the same day. They are all scheduled to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Friday, May the 12th. Further investigation include audits being conducted to verify the actual extent of the fraud, the police said in a release. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.